My name's Loz. I would like to show you a presentation of our SEO Website Builder Pro and what it can actually do for you. This software is actually putting the power right at your fingertips. Hardly any work is needed to be done on your part. Imagine what life would be like if you could have web pages built every single day of the year for you automatically. Imagine what it would be like if you could actually have search engine friendly pages built for you automatically. You don't need to do any editing whatsoever. The software does it for you. Build search engine sitemaps automatically for fast indexing. Now this is not any ordinary sitemap. This is a sitemap that's specifically created for search engines, so you do not need to submit to Google or Yahoo. The search engines will come over and crawl your website, and it will find a link within your header tag, and then it will scan that file rather than scanning your website, and then it will crawl every single one of those pages for you. And this is an improved method to get your pages indexed fast. You'll be able to build highly optimized on-page web pages automatically. You don't need to do anything at all. The software does it all for you. It creates links, it links one article to another article. It will then go out and submit links from those web pages back to yours. One-way themed related backlinks, where we can get links from all over the place. This is actually crazy. We're talking hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of backlinks coming to your website every single day. You'll be able to post to hundreds of blogs as well. I'll be setting up a network of blogs that you'll be able to post to, that the software will log into the blogs for you, and it will submit a link back to your inner pages. There'll be hundreds of social bookmarking sites to post to as well. Some of the regular ones that you may have heard of, such as Delicious, Dig, Look Smart, and various other places. I'll also be creating a set of social bookmarking sites as well for you to post to. Hundreds of and thousands of e-sign spam-free lists to post to. Now, what happens here is that when you start posting, say, a segment from your website or any kind of description area, it will add a link underneath, and it will submit them out to thousands of Google groups and Yahoo groups. And the good thing about that is not only do you get extra exposure, but there are people out there that start using RSS feeds from these groups, and they place them on their blogs. So you'd have like an automatic kind of list building going on here with all these links pointing to your inner pages. There'll be hundreds of RSS feed directories to submit to as well, and I'll be adding some of my own RSS feed directories that will be created for you to submit your RSS feeds out to. Now, you don't need to create an RSS feed. The software will actually update the RSS feed and submit it out during certain times of the week or the month. You get to choose when you want these RSS feeds to be sent out. Have your web pages submitted to blogs and ping services. So actually what we're doing here is we're actually creating a similar kind of blog structure, and once your web pages have been built, it will ping out to all the regular blog and ping services. You'll have your very own autoresponder service. So rather than getting into the mindset of building made for AdSense or made for Yahoo beta ad websites, what we're going to do is actually change the way people create their sites. Not just necessarily so they can create money from AdSense or Yahoo, but to give your site a bit more of an appeal, so we don't, get stuck into these ugly looking sites like a lot of people are doing lately. What we're going to do is turn your site into a money making empire, and you'll be able to sort of create all sorts of services on the site where people can join your autoresponder service, and it will also submit out to every single one of those people on the list, but they'll have a link underneath your pitch for a service or a product that you want to promote relating to that particular niche that you're involved in. And it will have these links at the bottom of it saying that this website's been updated, these pages have been created, blah blah blah, so on. And then it will then ask them to sort of visit those links. So hopefully you can get those visitors coming back. If you've got any AdSense or Yahoo beta ads or your own customized ads on the site, then hopefully you'll be able to close a sale or get a click out of the site. You'll be able to optimize your own ClickBank or Commission Junction or your pay.com ads for search engines as well. Alright, these will rotate throughout every single page, so one advert will not always be the same unless of course you only have one advert in the system. You can create as many as you like. You'd also be able to just specifically target any advert to any particular page, so they only rotate on those pages only, or you can have them rotating throughout every single web page on your site, and you'll be able to do all of this automatically. Okay, there's hardly anything you need to do other than create the content. Alright, so life's never been so easier. I've been in search and optimization now for about 2 years, and I can tell you it is extremely tiring to find the content, to try and put as many keywords in there as possible, not the same keywords but related keywords, so the article becomes somewhat more professional. The problem is nowadays a lot of people are trying to stuff a lot of keywords into their pages thinking that they will get at the top of the rankings. That's not true, especially now, and with Google and other search engines are following suit. So what we need to do is we need to create various related keywords on that article. So going through all that process can be quite tiring. Then you need to sort of, create your web page, paste it into Dreamweaver or whatever, and save the web page the name of the keyword that you're trying to target, and link up these keywords to other articles on your page, and all that takes time. And then you've got to do the on-page optimization, such as adding the title attributes, your H1 tags, your bold and your underlines, and you have to do that on every single page, and then your footer lines. It's just really tiring, and once you've uploaded it, then you've got to go out and get backlinks. You've got to go to social bookmarking network sites, RSS feeds, or even got to create your RSS feeds as well. Our RSS feeds, as I say, they're created automatically, and inside the description area they will have keywords in there that will be hyperlinked up back to your document. To do that manually it takes quite a while as well, and not every single day that you can come in and sort of remind yourself that you need to update your RSS feed. There's going to be some days that you're going to forget, or you just can't be bothered, or you're too busy. Okay, this software will do all that automatically for you. Alright, so then you don't need to go out and submit to RSS feed directories. The software will do that for you. One of the reasons why blogs get indexed so quickly is because they get pinged out to blog services. Well, this software will act as a automated website building machine, but it will act as a blog, and it will ping out to services, so your websites get indexed very quickly. There's so much more that I would like to tell you in this presentation, but I would like you sort of to check this website out and see how you go. I'll be releasing some articles on my blog, so you can learn some additional information about search and optimization and keyword research. But one thing that I'd like to say before I go is that there will be a group of thousands of people in our SEO backlink network, and it'll be totally free. So you save at least $240 per year per website. Alright. You'll also get free web hosting and domain name, all on the unique IP addresses, the LLC class server block. So it's completely up to you if you want to take me up on that offer. If not, no worries. So I invite you to join the pre-launch list today, okay, and visit SEOwebsitebuilderpro.com. Alright, and I'd look forward to seeing you soon. If you've got any questions about search engine optimization, by all means let me know, and I'll be more than happy to sort of assist you and help you get on your way, and then you'll be able to see the difference from the efforts that you're currently putting in to get high keyword rankings when this software is being used. And I can assure you, you're going to love it. You'll be able to create heaps of websites, and I'll show you some techniques used to build a network of websites by using this software. Alright, so thanks for